Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Our group will be presenting on the ADS1115, a precision analog to digital converter. Over the course of this presentation, we will explain the key features, application, and benefits of the ADS1115, as well as how it can be integrated into various electronic systems. We will start by discussing its specification, followed by its primary use in project, and then a look at its performance in real-world application. Without further ado, let's begin. I will now hand over to my friend to start the presentation.
First, introduce the ADS 1115 is a 16-bit analog to digital converter or ADC model widely used for measuring analog signal with high precision. This model is highly useful in application requiring conversion from analog to digital signal, such as voltage measurement, sensor, and control system based on microcontrollers. And next, there is dataset from ADS 1115. Resolution is 16, sample rate 0.86, number of input channel 4, interface type I2C, architecture delta sigma, input type differential, single end, rating catalog, and digital supply min 2 volt, digital supply max 5.5 volt. And there is pin function of ADS 1115. There are HCL, SDA, VDD, AIN3, AIN2, AIN1, AIN0, GND, LARD, ADDR. ADS 1115 have 10 pin and deskripsi ADDR I2C target address select, I2 AIN1 analog input 1, GND is ground, VDD is power supply, SCL is serial clock input, SDA is serial data input and output.
Okay, the next is function analog to digital conversion. The ADS 1115 converts analog signal, such voltage from sensor, into digital data that can be read by a microcontroller, such as an Arduino or Raspberry Pi. With 16-bit resolution, it is capable of providing very precise digital values. Number three is signal strengthening gain amplifier. This module is equipped with a programmable gain amplifier, which allows signal amplification up to 16 times. This is useful when measuring very small signal, thereby increasing the sensitivity and accuracy of the measurement. Number three is multi-channel input. The ADS1115 has four input channels, allowing measurement from multiple sensors simultaneously. This module also supports differential measurement, which means it can be used to measure the voltage difference between two input channels. Number four is compatible with I2C communication. The ADS1115 module communicates using the I2C protocol, allowing simple communication with the microcontroller via just two pins. The module's I2C address can also be changed, allowing multiple ADS1115 modules to be used in one system. application in IoT sensors and system because the IDS 1115 has high accuracy and ability to measure low voltage signal. This model is often used for sensor measurement such as temperature, pressure, humidity, and other sensor in IoT application.
Next, work principle. Single bandwidth is where the ADS 1115 module operates on a single ADC input for each channel, while differential channel is where the module operates using two input or two channels from the ADS 1115 module, with one going to the output and one going to the ground. This module can operate in the single end or differential channel mode. The gain of this module can be adjusted for greater accuracy based on the input voltage. For ADS 111 is an ADS module with 16-bit accuracy at 850 samples per second and uses the I2C protocol for data transfer. Next. Next, work principle delta sigma ADC. For the first oversampling, delta sigma ADC work by sampling the analog input signal at a frequency much higher than the noise frequency. This helps reduce noise and improves resolution. The second, delta modulation. Analog input are compared with reference value using integrator and comparators. The result is sequence of binary bits that represent the difference between the input signal and the previous integrate value delta. And the third is sigma modulation. The bit sequence from the delta modulator process are integrated to produce a more accurate bit stream. This bit stream reflects the average of the input analog signal over a certain period of time. Next. For the benefit, 16-bit resolution ensure precise reading, especially for small voltage or current change. The programmable gain allow measurement of signals from batteries with varying voltage level and suitable for applications that require high stability and accuracy over a small signal range, such as sensors or measuring instruments. And the last, the combination of high resolution and component integration makes delta sigma ADC space and power efficient as seen with the ADC 1115.
Okay, I will continue the presentation. Now is application in the real world. Application of ADS 1115 is first battery voltage current monitoring. Microcontroller data from ADS 1115 through I2C, processes it and displays the voltage and current on LCD screen or sends it to the cloud for remote monitoring. Next. Now we talk about monitoring temperature and humidity with analog sensors. The temperature sensors like LM35 outputs an analog voltage proportional to the temperature. ADS1115 converts the analog voltage to a digital value that the microcontroller can read. The temperature data is processed and displayed on an LCD or stored for further analysis. Next. Building vibration monitoring using an analog accelerometer. An accelerometer like ADXL335 outputs analog signal that represent acceleration along the X, Y, and Z axis. ADS1115 reads the analog data from each axis and converts it to digital form. The microcontroller processes the vibration data to detect abnormal movement or structural damage. Next.
Okay, this is the end of our presentation. Thank you to my friend for your informative presentation. To summarize, today we've covered the essential aspect of the ADS1115, its capabilities, and how it can be used to enhance precision in various applications. We hope you now have a better understanding of its value in electronics. On behalf of our entire group, I'd like to thank you all for your attention today. We appreciated your time and we hope you found the presentation valuable. Thank you once again and have a great day.